What is up, guys? This is me, Abhishek Das, your fitness expert. Welcome to another vlog. Welcome to Online Original. Today's vlog is a little special that I'm recording myself and from home. You can see that I am right now in my bed. So I'm making this video out of so many requests I get to share my pancake recipes जिनको मैं पूरे साल खाता हूँ और लोग ये सोचते हैं कि मैं नहीं खाता हूँ. I'm just gonna reveal how I manage them. मैं उनको कैसे quantity wise कम करता हूँ, ज़्यादा करता हूँ, अगर मैं cutting पे हूँ, अगर मैं bulking पे हूँ. So right now I am on my maintenance phase, guys. So I'm gonna show you the exact things, what I'm gonna use, how much quantity, how to make them in the best simple way. So let's make the protein pancakes. But before going there, one more thing. I will be sharing one secret with you to add in your pancakes to get you the best pump in the gym. And if you don't believe me, you just need to try it. So come, let's go to the kitchen, guys. Let's move. Hey, what's up? So welcome to my kitchen, guys. Ha! We got everything here arranged. So what we have here for the pancakes? We got this. I want to use today is the gainer from Zenith. We got a baby. That's the almond milk. Then we're gonna use some eggs, strawberries, a banana. So that's what I'm gonna use, and let's see. I'm gonna use them. So here we are. With all this, we got a vessel to mash up the bananas first. So I've got the banana. What I'm gonna do is you need to peel the banana off like this, and you have to measure everything. So I measure everything. Here you got the weighing scale. ये weighing scale है. ये हटाएंगे. Now it is 0 and 72. So this banana is about 70 grams. What I'm gonna use is I'm gonna mash this up banana. I'm gonna mash this banana. Doing. You can use 2 bananas. मैं आपको पूरा बनाने के बाद I'll share the macros कि कितना fats, कितना protein और कितना carbs मैंने intake किया. हाँ, और जो source मैं ले रहा हूँ तो आपको दिख ही रहा है. So the next thing is the eggs. So these are 2 brown eggs. You need good eggs. If you have bad eggs, your pancakes not gonna be great. So I'm using 2 eggs. And keep on adding. So the next thing is interesting. This is the mass gainer by Zenith. वैसे I use protein, but this is also protein. It has protein in it. Mass gainer लिखा है, but protein है. So you can see the nutritional facts. 75 grams, 2 scoops. It has a 2 scoops serving. So per serving में I will get 17 grams of protein, 51 carbohydrate, and 1.6 fats. So मैं 2 scoop use नहीं करूँगा. I'll be using just 1 because the flavor is very great. It is the French vanilla, and pancakes goes very good with vanilla or chocolate. So right now I'm gonna give a try to vanilla. So what I got is oats. Now I'm gonna add 20 gram oats. This is exactly 20. I am a pro. अब दो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीजें हैं जिसके बिना बिल्कुल मजा नहीं आएगा. So the almond milk, I don't use it much, just use it to make my pancakes more fluffy. Oops, 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 oops. That's it. Now, in this peanut butter pintola, I got my pink salt. When you use it in your pre-workout, you need a lot of sodium because you're gonna eat a lot of food. So the sodium will help you take your food, absorb your food where it is needed. It is very much required. And secondly, the baking powder. Use baking powder in your pre-workout pancakes especially. It will make your pancakes big and your pump even bigger. If you want to know the scientific reason behind it, you can personally DM me. So I'm done. So after making the base, looks like this. Okay, so we got our pan ready. I'm preheating it. Then I've got to add what? The olive oil, like this. And then you have to wait until it gets hot. Not that much hot. ये ध्यान रखना कि बहुत ज़्यादा olive oil है, उड़ जाएगा गर्म होने के बाद. It will vaporize. So just make sure to get on the right time. Just keep a check like this and move your oil like this. Okay. So the next important thing to make good pancakes is to pour your pancakes in the vessel very carefully. Recording के साथ साथ यही होता है. So okay, now I'm gonna make it अच्छे से and I'm gonna go off the recording up. Hey, what's up? So pancakes are getting ready behind me. You can see. I just made one quick one, and I usually make 4 to 5 small pancakes, and that just makes the pancakes or the plate looks big, the plate looks full, and it gives you the mental satisfaction. आप इसके बेटर से एक भी बना सकते हो, 2 भी बना सकते हो, और मेरी तरह 5 भी बना सकते हो. Sorry, 5 भी बना सकते हो. So it's up to you how you like to improvise on things, how you like to see your things, how you like your things to be presented. I just love presentation. मैं अपना खाना, even my home food, I just like to, settle it down correctly in order. Just hold that, मेरे pancake जल जाएंगे. When your pancakes are hot from one side, it is done from one side. The tricky part is to flip. So flip it with care, or you will ruin the shape, you will ruin the make. Second baby is ready. Going for, I think, 2 बना चुका हूँ मैं इस बेस के साथ. I think 2 और minimum. It's gonna be 2 more. Okay. So before ending the making process and starting the eating process, just a quick suggestion that you need all the ingredients available to make a good pancake. You should have good milk, दूध सही होना चाहिए. That gives the thickness. You should add baking soda. It gives you the fluffiness. Banana is must, and you need eggs. That's it. That's the most simple protein pancake you can make. You can use them in your pre-workout. You can use them after your workout, post workout, or just to have fun on Sunday, like I am gonna do it. I'm making the pancake in a style like I used to have in my pre workout, but today is Sunday, I'm not going for a workout, but then also I'm gonna eat them. It's just for my mind. Okay, so finally, my pancakes are ready. So I made 4 out of the batter. Now I'm gonna add strawberries and a little bit of honey over the top. So over the top, to make it as delicious as you can add anything. Like right now I'm just keeping it moderate, so I'm gonna use strawberries. You can add one more banana, you can add any other fruit. Every fruit goes well except some. Then I will use some honey over the top, and then I'm gonna have it with my coffee. So I hope you guys like the video, and if you like the video, if you want more cooking videos, just share, like, subscribe, and thank you Online Originals, thank you YouTube. We'll catch you guys soon, very soon.